Aloha, everybody. This is Joshua Hayes at BigWaveTrading.com coming to you with the daily stock market wrap-up. Normally we do 2-3 of these things, but I tell you what, when you have nights like I've been having the last 2 nights where you have to take profits on everything you just took long because you can see some odd action going on, like, for example, I'm going to take ADY here. ADY is a tricky stock, but I want to show you guys a clean base and a bad base. Now, if you bought ADY coming out of this base, I don't know why, but, one thing you can say for it is that it was a fresh new high. But how you would know it would move 54% one day is beyond me. Now, how then after in 3 days it's up 90%, you can buy any base that looks like that is beyond me. ADY continued to move up, and then as it did, defied some people that I said, don't buy this stock. Uh-oh, I must look like an idiot, right? No, still, don't buy this stock. Don't buy this stock, guys. You guys are going to get hurt. Don't buy this stock. Don't buy this stock. You don't know what you're talking about. It's a very bullish day, Josh, on 7609. You don't know what you're talking about. Josh, I'm going to buy this stock. All right, do whatever you want to do. I say don't buy this stock. And if you didn't cover all your losses here, as you should have, when it fell 9% immediately failing, then you're good. You got it down here with a little 45% sell-off, 50% almost. Since then, it's come back a little bit, but who cares? It's already down now, 30%, 26% since then. And that's the whole point about this market that I've been worried about. I continuously show you that we have good positive days, and yeah, people are like, well, they're coming on higher volume than the day before. So? It's below average. So what I see here is not a bullish move, but instead now a rising wedge, especially when I have more and more cells showing up the way that I do. So I see a rising wedge here. Let me show you this. Now I kind of see a rising wedge here even. Like, what the hell? I guess that's what that is right here if you just get out of those June and May highs kind of out of the way. You got a shallow uptrend to the highs of the uptrend after a rising wedge. We should start pulling back, and it would not shock me if we started to pull back on higher volume. So if the volume starts to pick up on the red bars here in the middle window and we lose this top middle level, wow, heavy bop comes off a little bit down, then I guess you could say that we're going to probably go ahead and try to visit at least the May support. Forget about the June, July support. I'm going to be looking at the May lines down here as my first line in the sand. However, I probably won't be one to really believe in that, is I kind of like have this kind of view on everything. I didn't want to do that, but that's the truth. And it's kind of like, I'm like, all right, well, if it gets down there and if I see good bases, then I'll be happy. So it's got a ways to go. But I'm not happy with this uptrend, guys. I don't know why. I don't know. Some people are bullish on it. I was, and then, I mean, look at today. How can you be bullish on it whenever you had a pretty stock like this? Breakout from a very V-ish pattern, by the way. If you can't see the V, to me it's quite obvious, just to show you how my brain operates. There's the very, very obvious V breakout shape that it just broke out of. As you can see, the V pattern doesn't work like a lot of times, so no surprise here to me. So once again, I'm not expecting anything amazing from this market. I keep on seeing it rising on the NASDAQ. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is it 10 days in a row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, it is. 10 days in a row. Unbelievable. Of the NASDAQ higher. And I don't see anything more bullish than what we were 10% ago. And I see more problems than what we had 10% ago. Also, for some of you that still think I'm long BCRX, is that 22% today? Do you guys not remember what happened on 7-9 right here? Do you not remember the cut loss rules? So I wasn't long BCRX. So even though that today was a weak buy day that day, because look what it looks like on an arithmetic chart. Really? You can play a chart that looks like that? Here's what it looks like on my charts that I was looking at, though. But that don't matter. You got to look at all of them. Very tight. So that's why I went ahead and thought it would work. However, it didn't work right off the bat. Cut loss. Whoops. So it's a rough market. Basically, you're more lucky than you're not if you're making money. And that shouldn't make anybody upset if you're on the sidelines 100% cash. Me, sometimes I kind of wish I was. I'm going to end this here. I don't need to waste more than 5 minutes of your day right now on this silly market. Guys, be careful out there. ARST should not have reversed. Action ADY clearly attempts to tell you what I'm worried about. If you don't know what else I'm worried about, take a look at ICUI today. That's what I'm worried about. All right, I love you all. Be careful out there. Honestly, I believe that now, cash is king. How? And why I say that is because I only have 200 partial sells. I'm kidding. It's only like 50. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 to 20 full sells. Not bad. Aloha.